I'm doing a couple random things today, like running some errands, hanging out with friends, possibly vintage shopping, and I just wanted to bring you along. My new apartment is not complete, but it's getting there. I feel like one major thing I need to do is like these bookshelf areas. I have a few items on each bookshelf, but they don't feel like complete yet. I really want to go to Goodwill or Savers and just like find some filler pieces and get some old books to fill them with. And then I need to figure out what to do in the area beneath the shelves. There's like a good amount of space that I don't want to leave empty because it feels a little bit too bare. I had one friend recommend to put a record player and like a record setup, but I kind of don't know what to do with the other side. So if anyone has any ideas, please let me know. This is what we're working with right now. And then you can see the area underneath. They're both pretty bare. Don't mind the mess. I'm gonna show you the rest of my apartment. So I just built this chair from IKEA, which I really love. I need to put all this stuff away today. And then, yeah, just hoping to find a few filler pieces to make it feel really homey. This is my kitchen. This area needs a lot of work. This table is just like random that I had. It's obviously not a dining table. And then that's just another random chair. I think I'm gonna get a little bit bigger of a dining table today. I kind of just want to have like 2 chairs because this is obviously a pretty small space. So I don't think I should have like a huge dining table. And then these art pieces I don't think fit my space very well. So I'm probably gonna donate those. I wanted to see if I could make something with them, but I just don't think it like fits the space very well. And then I also have this amazing walk-in pantry. And this is where I make my matcha every morning, which I love. Got my little Sonder House planner. It's like meal planning, schedule, all of that, and I need to update it, but I'll show you my room as well, which also needs a little bit of cleaning up today. This rug is from IKEA. This is a vintage little bench I got. Nightstands for my grandma's. Lamps are IKEA. I love this little vintage dresser I got. And then this is my little closet area. I framed this print that Cezanne sent me in one of my orders, which I'm obsessed with. I love everything I have on my bench. These are like all my favorite items. This is just like a little keepsake bin that I have a few special notes and stuff in there. I also started Fourth Wing this week. I'm literally only on chapter 2, but I can already tell it's gonna be really good. And here is my cute new little ring. Love. So right now I'm just gonna go do some returns and then probably walk on the treadmill for a little bit. I already did a weightlifting class today, but I also want to get my steps up, so I'm probably gonna go to the gym and walk for a little bit and then do like my returns, pick up the new little table that I want for my kitchen, and then I might stop by the DI or Savers to try and find some stuff for these shelves. I'm just wearing this cute set that I got from Form. And then my Solomon's little basic crew neck. And then the zip up is from Free People. I finally got everything loaded in my car. I have like 6 big bins from all the furniture I bought. So I need to go recycle those and then I'm gonna go pick up the table. Look how cute my little air freshener is. Okay, I took my recycling, got my table. It's just back here now. Really dark, you can't really tell. And then I took back my shoes. I'm just gonna drop off this sweater. This is from James Street and you have to get it dry cleaned, so I'm gonna drop that off. Then I'm gonna go walk at the gym for a little bit. I'm at the thrift store. The main items I'm looking for are books, like old vintage books. Maybe a cool chair for the dining table, and possibly like a console table, and then any like random items to fill the bookshelf. So we'll see what I can find. I just got back home from all my errands and I'm so hungry. I didn't really plan that well because I missed like lunchtime. I was just out and I didn't want to go out to eat. So I'm just gonna have a snack right now because I'm going to dinner with some friends at 5. So I don't want to get like too full. It's 2 p.m. right now. I've been loving just having little snack plates. So today I'm gonna do turkey. This is like raw cheddar cheese. I'm gonna make a little cabbage salad, a little bit of sauerkraut for my gut, and then I'm gonna have one of these sumo oranges. Also, I forgot to do my coconut cold this morning, so I'm gonna have some right now. This taste is honestly growing on me, which I never thought I would say. I'm almost out of my favorite cottage cheese, which is so sad because I love eating it with everything. I'm gonna add some microgreens to everything. I just kind of like sprinkle this on the whole plate. I do kind of feel like a rabbit when I eat this, but it tastes really good. I put together the shelves with the new books that I got, and I'm loving how everything is coming together in my apartment. My apartment is definitely starting to feel more complete within these past few weeks, so I'm going to film and post an updated apartment tour. I just spent the rest of the night at dinner with my friends and did some scrapbooking. That's kind of it for the day. I know this is a pretty short vlog, but I still thought it was fun to document. Thank you for watching.